You're here because you need leads and traffic for your business. Without leads and traffic, your business doesn't just struggle, it flatlines. Every time you log into your accounts, you're hit with the same frustrating sight. 0 commissions earned. That's where the List Ladder Viral Lead System changes everything. This revolutionary system flips the script by helping you build a powerful network of affiliates who help grow your list with you. Picture this. You log into your email account tomorrow morning, and instead of seeing lack of results, you see 25, 50, even over 100 fresh leads pouring in daily. These aren't just random names. These are highly interested prospects, people eager to see your offers or buy what you're selling. What would that kind of lead flow mean for your business? Now let's take it a step further. The List Ladder system isn't just about leads. It's backed by a brilliant compensation plan that can fuel your marketing budget and free up your cash flow. Imagine never having to stress about where your next leads or traffic will come from. Instead, you'll reinvest some of your commissions into scaling faster so you can start pocketing more profits for yourself. At this point, you're no longer just a simple affiliate. You've become a digital rainmaker, someone who commands traffic at the push of a button. With the List Ladder system, you can turn your leads list into your own personal ATM that generates results on demand. Did you know the average email marketing list can generate $1 per subscriber every single month? Let that sink in. Imagine building a list of 1,000 subscribers bringing in an extra $1,000 a month. Now, what if that list grows to 5,000 subscribers, or even 10,000? The earning potential is staggering. And here's the kicker. There's no limit to how big you can grow your list. But here's the challenge. Building a targeted, profitable email list isn't cheap. Some sources estimate it can cost upwards of $10 per subscriber to acquire, maintain, and market to a quality email list. If you've tried to do it on your own, you already know how fast those costs add up. That's where the List Ladder Viral Lead System turns the game on its head. This isn't just another email marketing strategy. It's a leveraged machine that reduces your costs while multiplying your results. Here's how it works. The List Ladder system is designed to generate leads not just from your own marketing efforts, but from the efforts of your entire network of team members. When you join, your email address is added to the list of up to 5 members above you. As you grow your team, every lead you and your team generate is added to your list as well. For example, if you build a team of 18 people and each of you generates just 1 lead, you'll end up with 19 leads added to your list, your own plus your team's combined efforts. Now let's take it further. If each person generates 100 leads, you're looking at 1,900 leads, with 1,800 of them added to your list at no additional cost. Think about that for a moment. At $10 per lead, the typical cost to acquire a targeted subscriber, those 1,800 leads would normally cost you $18,000. This is what we call insane leverage. The List Ladder system operates on a 5-level structure, allowing you to receive leads from up to 5 levels down in your network, meaning there's virtually no limit to the number of leads you can generate. And it doesn't stop there. As your network grows, so does your list. As your list grows, so does your earning potential. This isn't just building an email list, it's creating a revenue engine you control. Every lead goes straight into your personal email list outside of the system, giving you full ownership and allowing you to control deliverability. Unlike other systems that build you a list you can't even email, the List Ladder builds a list that works for you of highly engaged emails and ensures your emails consistently land in inboxes where they belong. Now, let's get into what everyone wants to know: how you can make money with the List Ladder system. Here's the truth. Email marketing isn't just a trendy tactic. It's a proven machine for wealth creation. According to industry stats, email marketing generates an average ROI of $36 for every dollar spent. In other words, it's the closest thing to having a legal license to print money on autopilot. With the List Ladder, you're not just building a list. You're building 3 cohesive income streams that work together to fuel exponential growth in your business and income over time. As a free member, you can start benefiting from these income streams immediately. Let's break it down. Income stream number 1, Get Response Affiliate Program. The first income stream comes from our chosen autoresponder platform. Not only is it required to activate the List Ladder capture pages, but it's also a lucrative opportunity. Every time a new member in your network signs up for Get Response, you can earn up to $150 per referral. How? When members sign up through the List Ladder system, your affiliate link is embedded into the process. This means that as your team grows, so does your income, 1 referral at a time. The best part is your team can start even with a free Get Response account. The second income stream is Traffic Zest. our PPC traffic program. Every time someone in your organization purchases PPC traffic, you earn up to 65% of the profits from each sale. Think about the power of this. As your network expands and members invest in their own traffic, you're earning a significant share of those purchases. Meanwhile, they're growing their lists, and by extension, so are you. Income stream number 3. Now let's talk about the Traffic Authority program, our third income stream. Traffic Authority is a powerhouse when it comes to generating high-quality, targeted traffic for your business. As a member of the list ladder, you'll have access to premium traffic packages that you can use to drive leads directly to your sales pages or offers. You can earn up to 30% commission on each traffic package purchase made by your network. When someone in your team invests in premium traffic to grow their business, you're earning a percentage of that purchase while they're bringing in the leads to fuel their own success. This is a system built for growth. These 3 income streams aren't just random add-ons, they're carefully designed to work together. You're earning income not just from what you do, but also from the activity of your team. And while you're profiting from these tools, you're also leveraging them to build your email list faster than ever, transforming your list into a powerful, profitable asset that can drive your business forward. You can join the List Ladder Premium program for just $25 per month. But here's where it gets exciting. You'll earn $15 in fast start commissions for every paid member you refer. That's right, $15 per sale. But here's where it gets better. When you hit 5 sales in a week, you'll earn a $100 bonus. And this doesn't stop after 5 sales, it's consecutive. So you get $100 for every 5 sales, stacking up as you go. 5 sales per week equals $100 in bonuses. 10 sales per week equals $200 in bonuses. 15 sales per week equals $300 in bonuses. 20 sales equals $400 in bonuses. 25 sales equals $500 in bonuses, and so on. This bonus structure is set to reward those who hustle, making it easier for you to make more and more money the harder you work. Premium users also unlock premium income streams inside the system. You get access to a growing list of premium affiliate programs that will continuously expand as the list ladder evolves. This is a long-term game, not a quick cash grab. Each week, we're running live webinars, diving into crucial tools, resources, and strategies. We're not just throwing you into the deep end, we're guiding you every step of the way. All you need to do is update your links, sit back, and let the system start earning commissions for you. But that's just the start. As a premium user, you'll unlock the list ladder system to exponentially grow your email list, generating leads from up to 5 levels deep. This system isn't just about you, it's about creating a self-perpetuating cycle of growth. When your team continues to grow, so does your list. Along with all of that, you'll gain access to valuable software tools like ElmLink BioLink software, Messenger Pro Chrome extension, a link rotator, daily activity trackers, and more. This is a comprehensive marketing system that will keep working for you even while you sleep. And then, of course, the ultimate reward is the brilliant compensation plan waiting for you. This is about building a system that keeps paying you month after month while you do less and earn more. In addition to the $15 fast start commission you earn for every sale and weekly bonuses, you'll also unlock ongoing monthly residual income with our 5-level unilevel compensation plan. Level 1, earn 20%, which is $5 monthly payment made by your direct referrals. Level 2, earn 10% or $2.50 for each payment from people your direct referrals refer to the list ladder. Level 3, earn 5% or $1.25 for each third-generation referral. Level 4, earn 3% or 75 cents for each fourth-generation referral. Level 5, earn 2% or 50 cents for each fifth-generation referral. Essentially, for every new personal sale, you're earning 80% in commissions in the first month. $15 fast start commission plus $5 from our unilevel compensation plan. The real asset is your email list. What you're building here isn't some fleeting opportunity. The most powerful and valuable asset you can own in today's digital world is your email list. You're not just collecting leads, you're building an income-generating powerhouse that will continue to pay you month after month. A system that works for you even when you're not working. This isn't just about today, this is about the long term. The more you build, the more you earn. The more people you bring in, the more your email list grows, and with every new member, you're unlocking new streams of income. Think about that. Think about the freedom and flexibility it gives you to truly scale your business. What's next? Now is the time to take action. You've got a choice. You can sit on the sidelines and watch others build their businesses, or you can take control today and start building your email list, unlocking commissions, and growing your income. You can start for free or pay $25 to unlock the complete power of the list ladder system. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. This is your moment. Pay your $25 now and get started. Together, we'll build something that lasts. A business that pays you over and over again. See you on the inside.